Today we're going to bring a power plug, and this is a dimmable power plug and also an hourly power plug. So if you're into the holidays and you set up Christmas lights or any kind of ornament or lighting effect that you want to turn off certain times, you can set this up, all right? But this is not going to be a timer. It's only set a timer within whatever you set up that day. So on this part right here, if you have it on and off, you got the dimmables, you got plus, minus, and then you got 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, and 8 hours. So you can set up throughout the day how many hours you want to have certain lights. So if you're having a party or something that an effect or something that you need to pretty much control for certain time, you have two connections in here. So right now we have outdoor lighting that we're going to set up. And we're going to try to control this through the actual controller. And of course, the controller needs AAA batteries, 2 of them. So you just require 2 AAA batteries, set it up, and then you have control. So we're going to set this up today and see how well it works. So let's put it together. All right, so we just connected our lights, and these are actually our outdoor lights into the yellow cable. We're going to set them up right now. We're going to power it on and turn it on to from here. We're going to turn it on. And you guys can see power on. And we got lights turned on already, and we're going to control it with the remote. Just got power on one, and you guys can see, I'm going to show you the light setting up, and we're going to remote control and see how well they work, how bright they are. So let's turn them off and control the dimming. So here we have the controller, all right, and let me show you how dark it is here. So we're going to turn it off completely. It's off. Turn it on. And then we're going to dim it down to really low. All right, we're going to lower it down. See how much we could go? That's pretty much we can go. And then we're going to go up higher. That's the highest we can go. So this is very good, controlling any kind of source, light source. And right now we do have lights all around the house, all around here pretty much, and they're lighting up pretty good. But we can always turn them off too if we want, and then turn it back on. We have the full control of it just by dimming everything. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.